guys, as you know, I've been making and piping butters, but I also got an order for some truffle butter cups or little mini bath truffles. So we're going to make and pipe some of those. So using this body butter mix I have and then some of this dry mix that I have for bath bombs, I'm going to make the little truffle butters. So I'm just going to put in some of this, and we're going to keep whipping until we have the consistency that we want, and then we're going to load it in one of our piping bags and then pop it into the truffle cup. Let's get the whipping. We want it to stay a butter consistency, but still be able to harden. So that's why we're adding it this way. It's easier for me to do it like this than any other way. So you do what you feel is right for your truffle cups if you decide to make these. Just keep in mind that whatever it is that you do, or however you make them, you still have to be able to have them at a piping consistency or pipeable consistency. So you don't want to add too much mix. And you definitely don't want to add too little, and that way it'll pipe, but it won't stiffen up or harden. So this is going to be our last 2 little scoops, and that should be the perfect consistency for me. I'm just going to scrape down the sides with our little baby spatula and make sure we get all of this down in here. They smell amazing. I love the way lavender smells. Some people say it's an acquired smell, but I particularly like it. All right, here we go. Ready? We're going to load up our bag. Just going to clean the powders from off of this spoon first. And let's load up our piping bag. And I switched to my favorite tip, which is the Teco, or Teco, what is it? A-T-E-C-C-O, I think. Either way, it's a large tip. I believe it's like a star tip. I really don't know. I don't care. It's cute the way it comes out. I like it. Okay, I'm going to need my baby spatula again so I can scrape all of this down. Waste not, want not. Okay, I think this is as clean as we're going to get this bowl. And let's pipe our truffles. We have a few cups here, and we'll be able to get a decent amount done. We might have more than enough, and we have 7 cups. So let's see. So 1, 2, 'I'm annoying myself counting, so I'm just not going to do it anymore. Okay, we might be able to squeeze out one more. Alrighty. And this one will be our tester, kind of melted at the end. These are still butters, but it smells amazing. And you would let them cure or harden up just like any other balm. But I'm not done with my little finishing touches, so I'll be right back. We're just going to take a few of these lavender buds and just drizzle them on top. The scent is lavender, so just in case I didn't mention that before. And I think this is just really cute. It gives it a nice finishing little touch, especially since it doesn't have any colorant in it. So there you go. My lavender mini truffle cups, or bath truffles. So thank you guys for watching, and as always, be well and stay blessed, and until the next time, bye for now. There you have it, folks, another fine creation from BodyGarbage. If you like this video, please do give me a big thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. If you'd like to purchase anything that's available in my Etsy, please follow the link down below. As always, be well and stay blessed. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, bye for now.